What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, True John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-18! As I promised, yes, we are going to do a reaction video for the official music video of Damn, the newest single of SB19 para sa simula at wakas. Oo, ganon. Kasi magkakaroon sila ng world tour at syempre napanood nga natin yung performance na sa All Out Sundays. Grabe production yun sa stage pa lang plus the outfit. Sobrang angas na. So, exciting ang kanilang music video. Dahil balita ko, sobrang pinaghandaan and pang world class. Oo, ang creativity, like a fantasy music video na pang world class. Yan ang ating matutunghayan. Yes, matutunghayan, no? Grabe. At syempre, mag-comment down kayo kung ano yung sinong bang nag-conceptualize na tong video na to. Kaninong minds ba ang ginamit? Is it Pablo? Is it Justin? Or it's a collaboration ng creative juices ng lahat ng boys natin. Kaya naman exciting ito. But before I proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. SB19 Damn music video.
Ano bang pakiramdam?
Ay, grabe. Ito na.
Dati lang.
Ito na ang end ng series eh. It's a trilogy.
Pagmamahal ang lahat. Naglaho ng dahil sa makamundong kasakiman.
Ay, is it Pablo?
Paano po ba iingatan ng kaibigan kung ang kapaligiran na ang kalaban? Paano ba hihigitan pa ang dulo ng kabutihan? At paano ba wawakasan ng isang bagay na hindi naman nagawang simulan?
Oh my God, grabe. Wait lang guys, umpisa pa lang to ng music video and you can see grabe yung effects agad, no? The cinematography. Tapos naka super wide angle siya. So I love it. At eto na nga, papasok na tayo sa libro. Charit.
Ano bang pakiramdam?
Sino nagba-voice over? Is it Pablo? Wow! Oh my God! Wait lang guys, the production value. It's like you're watching, parang ano to, as Avengers na yung level of ano ng effects. Grabe. Grabe yung tunog talaga, parang Gento and Wyatt pinagsama yung angas. Ay. Pogi ni George. Walang hanggan na. Oh my gosh, parang ano si Josh, si Philip, parang yung crow, no? And the effects guys, grabe. The production value, hands down right away. Nasa 1 minute pa lang tayo ng video, but this is something na ipagmamalaki natin, no? Para talaga siyang gawang Hollywood, ganong music video guys, pang MTV, pang international talaga. Ganun na effects and the acting. Shucks! Ang ganda! Ganda ng outfit. Ay, parang elf naman to si Justin. Ganda. Angas. Parang Thor naman si ano. Shucks, ang ganda ng buhok ni Stell. At saka yung outfit niya parang yung sa Ice Queen, yung dalawa, yung black saka yung ice. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ang galing ng concept. Ganda ng buhok ni Stell. The good and the evil. Ganun. In fairness sa effects. Ay. Pogi rin Pablo. The fantasy. May pagka-wizard elf si Justin. Game of Thrones. Daming tukso. Ay, ayan na ang libro. Grabe. And the dance, no? Kailangan nila magsama-sama, ganun. I love that like bottle sounds. Wow! Grabe guys, hands down to the visual effects. Grabe, and the cinematography. Para tayong nanonood ng teaser na may music video ng Game of Thrones. Ganun, bagong season ng Game of Thrones, ng Lord of the Rings. Diba? Ganun yung yung peg niya. I love it. Parang bagong fantaserye. Galing. Ay, nakalaya na yung good style. Ay, ito yung teaser. Grabe yung vocal system. Oh my gosh. May mga Easter eggs na naman tong 18 for sure. So, comment down below, guys. Oh my God, naging bato sila. They sacrificed themselves. Ang galing ng effects. Kabog! Galing, ganda. Parang the tree of life. Tapos nag-boom. Galing. Grabe yung vocals ni Philip dun, no? Oh my God, nakakabitin. Shit. There you have it, guys. That is the official music video of Damn! Grabe, mapapadam ka talaga. Sobrang ganda ng music video, guys. At nakakabitin, no? Parang, parang may panibagong, sisimula ng SB19 after this. Kasi, parang alam ko, correct me if I'm wrong, mga ka-AT, na ito na yung simula at wakas, diba? It's a trilogy kasi. So, this is the ending. So, anong mangyayari? Pero dito sa music video, parang merong pang kasunod. What happened? They sacrificed themselves para magbunga yung yung puno. Which is, I think, the tree of life, the tree of hope. Oo, kayo nakakaalam ng mga Easter eggs. I-comment nyo na yan para ma-update naman tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Grabe yon. From the production. I think this is the best production so far na napanood kong music video na all Filipino made. Oo. Like, meron yung sabihin yung Cherry on Top, ang ganda rin ng production nila, parang nasa ibang bansa. But this one is the visual effects, yung message, grabe. Tapos yung song pa, no? Grabe din yung lyrics and the way that they're performing it, the acting itself. Diba? Parang parang bida sila ng bagong fantaserye. Pwede gawan to ng ng teleserye, fantaserye. Tapos SB19 yung bida. Ang galing ng acting, the character na ginagampanan nila plus the way they dance, 'di ba? Alam mo, sing and dance acting, very versatile na talaga ang SB19. So, nakaka-proud and I wish SB19 I wish them very well sa darating na world tour nila ng simula at wakas. At sana naman mapadaan kayo sa Malaysia. Oo. Kasi guys, napanood ko yung sa Philippines last year. I think it's last year nanood ako noon. Grabe, ibang experience talaga. Sobrang overwhelming. So, shoutout nga pala to KJ Avelino na nagbigay sa atin ng libreng ticket. Oo, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas to watch it and it was an amazing experience sa Araneta. And I know this time sa sa Philippine Arena. Kaya naman supportahan natin ang SB19 guys para sa kanilang kick-off ng Simula at Wakas World Tour. Oo. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, syempre support niyo din ako by liking our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness guys. Bye for now.
You